Hi lovelies, welcome back once again. Here is Phoebe's Kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Today I'm back and I want to share with you how to make this extremely delicious celery infused smoked chicken light soup, and I hope you like it. The ingredients put together are amazing and took this soup to the next level. So please stay tuned to the end as always and be inspired. To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. So in a saucepan, I'm adding my tomatoes, next carrots, next my butter beans, and bell peppers. I'll now allow them to cook until ready. In my other saucepan, I'm adding my smoked chicken. There we go. Next, I've got my aromatics, that's ginger, garlic, white onion, square bonnet peppers, celeries, and spring onions. I'll proceed to transfer them all into a blender like so. And lovelies, I'll blend them until nice and smooth. Please go nowhere, stay tuned to the end and be inspired, and I'm so sure you'll love this recipe. To the ingredients in the blender, I'm adding my cumin seeds. While they are blending, I'll go ahead and add my seasonings to the chicken. And first I added herbs and natural spices. Next I added chicken seasoning and now all-purpose seasoning. Lastly, salt to taste. I'll then stir, making sure they are well combined. And after that, I'll allow the chicken to steam without adding water at this moment. Not adding water at the initial stage, but allowing the chicken to steam in their own juices for some time. Make them absorb all the flavors of the aromatics for them to taste great in the end. I hope you get it. 5 minutes later, I'm back and I've added my blended aromatics and then my tomato paste. Again, I'll give it a stir until well combined. Very aromatic. Once I'm done, I'll cover it up again for the chicken to steam for another 5 minutes. Now let's come over here and check on our tomatoes, butter beans, carrots and our bell peppers. So far so good, they are so ready. So I'll just turn off the heat, drain off the water, transfer them into my blender and blend them until nice and smooth. Whilst they are blending, I'm back to check on our chicken and they are steaming so nicely. But their tenderness is still not up to my expectation, so I'll allow them to steam for about 3 minutes more. 3 minutes later, lovelies, I am back and so far so good. I can even see oil surfacing on top of our soup base, and this shows how properly we've steamed our chicken and also built our flavors. Seeing all these signs, I can boldly go ahead and add my blended aromatics here. After that, I'll proceed to stir until well combined. To support the girl, please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video here. We are still at the steaming stage, so I'll allow the process to continue for about 3 more minutes and then I'll come back and add water to my desired level here. 3 minutes later, the flavor is so on point, very aromatic. I love the texture of the chicken. So as you can see, I'm adding water to my desired level. And the amount of water that you add will determine how thick or light you want your soup to be, okay? But I want mine to be in between. So now it's time for us to allow the soup to cook for about 25 minutes until ready, yeah? Now the soup is about to boil properly, so I'll take off the lid. And lovelies, so far if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts about the recipe and I'll always appreciate it. 15 minutes later, I'm adding square bonnet pepper for more heat, carrots. You can as well add okra or any other veggies of your choice. Initially, the soup was almost to the brim of the saucepan and now it has come down. This shows the soup is getting there. I love how thick it has become, not too light or not too thick. So it's in between, just as I wanted. So very soon, lovelies, I'll just turn off the heat and then soup will be ready to be served. I hope you've been inspired. This soup is so checked, very aromatic, flavor well built, salt content very okay, and I hope you give this a try. So I'll let the soup cook again for another 3 minutes and after that I'll turn off the heat completely, yeah? My goodness, mamma mia. Lovelies, if it's your first time ever seeing my video, I hope you've been inspired enough to join this amazing family by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. What else can I pair this soup with if not fufu? Oh yeah, and it's about to go down. Lovelies, for more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. This celery-infused smoked chicken light soup is a hit, and I hope you give this a try and thank me later. Whenever you do, kindly tag me with the feedback on Instagram or comment down below my Facebook and YouTube videos. And hey, very big shout out to all my subscribers and followers for always supporting your girl. I can't thank you enough. God richly bless you. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.